Hello, I'm Jason Spangler, Flooring Division Manager for Wagner Meters, here to show you the Orion 920 Moisture Meter, part of Wagner's new Orion line of meters that are setting a new standard in the moisture measurement industry. The Orion Moisture Meter is advanced technology, superior accuracy, and remarkable versatility in the palm of your hand. Let's talk about the Orion 920 Shallow Depth Moisture Meter, a great tool for getting precise readings on thin planks of wood flooring or other materials. The first thing you'll notice is the new design that fits in your hand and allows you to maintain a firm grip on the meter regardless of the position you hold it. Pretty handy for measurements in out-of-the-way places. A rubber boot surrounding the unit to give you a larger grip surface and protect the meter when it's stored and when it travels with you during the toughest jobs. The on and hold button turns the unit on and also holds the readings in case you're measuring in an area where you can't see the display. Your Orion 920 audio button allows you to set a high moisture content alarm threshold and also set the volume of the audible alarm. This is useful, for example, when quickly scanning a piece of wood and trying to locate any higher moisture content areas without having to continually look at the digital display. The species or material button is used to program the appropriate setting to measure your specific wood species. It also puts your Orion meter into two more modes: relative measurement mode and meter calibration mode. Relative measurement mode is for when you want to measure non-wood materials such as drywall and engineered flooring. Meter calibration mode is something we'll cover in a minute. Lastly, the up and down buttons act as your toggle to increase or decrease values according to the mode you're in. Taking a reading with the Orion 920 Shallow Depth Moisture Meter is easy. First, check your species setting booklet and confirm the setting value for the wood material you'll be working with. This is a section of American cherry flooring. The species booklet says the setting value is 50. I press the on-hold button to power the meter on, and then I press the species material button and use the up button to adjust the setting to 50. Now I'm ready to take a reading. Now let's finish with a short demonstration of how to calibrate the Orion 920 in your home, workshop, office, job site, wherever. By short, I mean you got a minute? Because it's just that small amount of time. Be sure to read through the calibration section of your manual to make sure you're doing everything correctly. First, I make sure serial numbers match between my calibration reference and my Orion 920 found in the battery compartment. Place the calibration reference on its legs on a flat surface. Turn the meter on, and then use the species material button to put your meter in cal mode. Place the meter on the calibration reference, correctly seating the meter sensor plate firmly on the recessed area. This is important because if you place the sensor pad anywhere else, it will cause an inaccurate calibration. Move it back and forth and side to side to make sure the pad is firmly seated. Next, press the audio button 3 times. The meter will beep 3 times to tell you it's calibrating. When you see the word lift on the screen, quickly lift the meter into the air for about 5 seconds. During this time, make sure your fingers or other objects are away from the back of the meter. When the word done appears, press the on-hold button to go back to measuring mode, and you're off to the races. I'm Jason Spangler, Flooring Division Manager for Wagner Meters. Email me at jspangler@wagnermeters.com with your questions, comments, or photos of your best work with the Orion meter. If you don't have one yet, visit wagnermeters.com to purchase the right Orion moisture meter for your specific application. While you're here, check out the other videos and click subscribe.